January is the ideal time to start planting potatoes, when the weather is cool and stable. So is there a way to grow potatoes with less effort? Bean husks, ash, organic kitchen waste, or even beer? All of these will be explained in today's video. But first, let me show you how I build this planting frame. Why place bean husks at the bottom? Does doing this actually have any benefits? And could it cause any harm to plants? Now, let's start answering these questions. Soil moisture retention. Bean husks have a porous structure. When placed under the soil, they help retain moisture better and reduce how quickly the soil dries out. Improves soil looseness. When bean husks are placed at the bottom, they create air gaps that improve drainage, prevent waterlogging, reduce root rot, and help plants grow stronger. Nutrient enrichment. Bean husks are organic matter. As they decompose, they release a natural source of nitrogen and promote beneficial microorganisms in the soil, improving long-term soil health without causing plant shock like chemical fertilizers. Ash has moisture-absorbing properties, helping the cut surface of the tuber dry and heal quickly, preventing rot. In addition, it provides calcium and potassium, and has a mild alkaline nature which effectively suppresses fungi and bacteria that cause tuber rot. Note: only use clean kitchen ash, wood ash, or rice straw ash. Do not use coal ash. After 10 days, all the potato tubers had sprouted, with many young shoots, thick and healthy stems, and lush green leaves. The results show that ash helps the cut surfaces heal quickly, and that the sprouting rate is nearly 100%. This method is not only simple and easy to apply, but also highly effective. Organic kitchen waste, such as vegetable scraps, fruit peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells, is very beneficial for plants. When properly composted, it provides a natural source of nutrients, improves soil quality, loosens the soil, and increases beneficial microorganisms. When organic kitchen waste is combined with trichoderma, the decomposition process is significantly accelerated. Trichoderma helps break down organic matter more quickly, reduces unpleasant odors, suppresses soil-borne pathogens, and creates a favorable environment for beneficial microorganisms to thrive. As a result, the soil becomes more fertile and plants absorb nutrients more efficiently, growing healthier and more sustainably. Do you think beer is only for drinking? No. Beer contains sugars, yeast, and some B group vitamins. These act as food for microorganisms, helping speed up the decomposition of organic matter and supporting plants in absorbing nutrients more effectively. And best of all, it's very easy to do. Notes: do not use undiluted beer. Do not apply frequently. Do not use on young plants or those with weak roots. Dilute 1 part beer with 10 parts water and apply it to the soil. And after a period of waiting, when the plants have grown steadily and the leaves begin to turn yellow and dry, it's time to harvest. The result is firm, large, clean, and healthy potato tubers, without requiring too much effort. This process shows that making use of simple materials, such as bean husks, ash, and organic kitchen waste, not only saves costs, but also delivers clear results. I hope the tips shared in this video give you more experience and inspiration to start growing potatoes at home. Wishing you a great harvest of delicious potatoes. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to support me. See you in the next video.
When the through the last days of September.